grab some chicken wire for these easy farmhouse fall decor ideas. First, grab some chicken wire and cut it down to size. Next, create a short, fat tube. To attach the tube, cut down some wire and twist it to secure. After that, mold your shape. Pinch in the bottom and press down to round it out. Pinch in the top to a point. Next, add some spray paint. Add some fairy lights or keep them plain. You can make these in all shapes and sizes. First, grab 4 dollar store frames and remove the glass. After that, clip off the pegs. Next, cut the chicken wire to fit the frame. After that, attach it to the frame using staples. Next, trim any excess edges that are sticking out and repeat on all 4 frames. Following that, hot glue the frames together, creating a box. Next, spray paint them any color you're choosing. I also distressed mine using sandpaper. First, cut down the chicken wire. Next, create a cone shape by twisting. Following that, trim off the top of the cone so it's a straight edge. After that, fill it with some decor. I chose to fill mine with faux pumpkins and gourds, but the possibilities are endless. First, staple some chicken wire to an old frame. Next, trim off any jagged edges. After that, measure the frame and create or purchase words that will fit inside it. To attach your saying, cut down some wire and pinch it in so it looks like a staple. Twist it around the ends of the letters. Next, add some faux flowers or other decor. First, grab some chicken wire and cut it down. Next, roll the chicken wire into a long, skinny tube and attach it using wire. After that, add some pine cones, acorns, or other fall decor. Next, wrap the tube around so it creates a circle and cut off the excess so it doesn't have any jagged edges. After that, attach the ends using wire to finish off the circle. Next, add an accent bow. I use burlap, but you could use any ribbon you want. I hope this inspires you to create your own custom farmhouse decor this season. Be sure to check back for my next video.
Hey YouTube, to never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And for inspiration for your next DIY project, click here.